These are directions on how to do your Reducing Fractions Math Center. Okay, if you need to get an extra piece of paper to do your work on, you can go ahead and do that. Or you can also use the back of this worksheet to show your work also. But remember, if you do not show your work and you just write answers, you will be getting a 0. So make sure you are writing your work down and turning it in on Canvas. Okay, I'm going to start with the first one. 9 over 45. Okay, so I'm reducing this fraction because I know that 9 and 45 can both be divided by the same number to make it even smaller. So reducing means to make smaller. So I want to think, what can I divide 9 and 45 by to make it even smaller? And I have to be able to divide them by the same number. Okay, so I'm going to go over here and I'm going to write 9 over 45. I know I'm dividing for sure. Okay, and now I'm going to think, what number can I divide 9 and 45 by that is the same number? So if I think about my math facts, I know that I can do 9 divided by 9 and get an answer, and I can also do 45 divided by 9 and get an answer. So I'm going to go ahead and divide both of those now. So 9 divided by 9 is 1, and 45 divided by 9 is 5. Okay, so now I have a new fraction, which is 1 over 5, and I'm going to think to myself, can I make 1 over 5 any smaller? Meaning, can I divide them both by the same number and make it even smaller? And the answer is no. I can't divide anything else out, right? You can't make 1 smaller than it already is, right? Once I get a 1 on top, I know I can't divide it anymore. Okay, and you don't always get a 1 on top, but if you do, you know that you've made it all the way to the end of reducing the fraction. Okay, so the answer to this problem is going to be 1 over 5. So I'm going to go ahead and write that over here. Okay. If you need any help with this Math Center, talk to someone next to you about it. If they don't understand, then go ahead and ask your teacher.